Hey, Lars here from Post Studio. As a small business owner, you know you can't sit back and let customers come to you. It's important to be consistent with your social media presence, and sometimes it's hard to generate content day in and day out, especially when you have all these different platforms to deal with. That's where Post Studio comes in. Our highly rated social media auto-posting app for Shopify makes it easy to share your products and updates with your audience. With Post Studio, we can generate content from your existing products every day and post to all of your social media accounts, removing the countless hours spent coming up with posts. Knowing your posts will go out at 9 a.m. every day automatically will give you time back to focus on the business. Love Linton, a successful baby clothing brand, knows exactly what we are talking about. To supplement their existing posting schedule, which was a few times a week, they implemented several campaigns to post more regularly with call to actions on all 4 of our available social media platforms. The consistency of posts keeps users engaged and the brand top of mind. By adding additional hashtags to posts on Instagram and Facebook, we also increase discoverability. Plus, our app offers flexible scheduling options, so you can choose the best times to post for maximum engagement. With a variety of additional features including video posts, support for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, we can reach your customers where they are. Install Post Studio today and reach out on live chat support if you need help. Thank you.